Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error with the error code 0x8024a223, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. Now we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script. I have shared it in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste the script here. So it will stop all services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the software distribution and cat root to folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and then it will restart all the services associated with Windows updates. And finally, you can use it as normal. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.